Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to place your order on Pinduoduo with Alipay without any stress. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. As you can see right here, I'm going to click on here to open my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to source for product from different supplier. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to source for product from different supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the easiest ways is to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more product is going to load up by different supplier. However, you can also come to the top right here, click on here, and then when you click on here, enter the name of the product you are looking for. Let's say you are looking for bags, so type bags right here and hit on search, and in a few seconds you are going to see a similar results just like what you see right here. And you can also make use of this camera icon here, which stands for image search. After you have successful source for product from different supplier, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. So use this particular product here as an example. So what we want to do here is to simply scroll down and check on the product detail, product graphics. The more you scroll down, the more you see product graphics, just like so. After you have satisfied with the product detail, next thing you need to do is to add a product to cart. And for you to add a product to cart, just tap on this love icon right here. So when you tap on this love icon, then it simply means that you have successfully added a product to cart. Next thing you want to do now is to go ahead and check out. So I'm going to simply click on here to go back. And for me to fill my cart, I need to click on here. Then it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here. And the product we have is going to be found right here from the top right here. Just like what you see right here, I need two different sizes of this particular shirt right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then you have everything right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure we select our Alipay. So I'm paying the sum of 56.62 yuan to purchase this. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout with my Alipay. The next thing I need to do is to click on confirm. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on done right here. Then I have to click on this pump up right here to close it. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for with our Alipay is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Just like what you see right here, it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video.